We're at the park.
Hi.
Willie the penguin.
Oh God, what is that? I gotta flip it around. We're at the park. Hey, how's it going? Look how pretty it is.
I think I love this.
I think I love this.
Every time I have.
You do. Every video.
In every video, the same shirt I'm gonna have, guys.
I literally changed from this shirt to the Taco Cat shirt every single time.
And the Batman shirt.
Yeah, and the Batman shirt. I only have 3 shirts, guys. Donate shirts to me, please. Did you just slip that water over there? What are there could be people walking down there?
Oh my God, that was evil.
I didn't mean it to be, but it happened. Oh hell, they gonna come up here and they gonna beat you up. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Guys, look how pretty it is. Oh, look at the pretty. So pretty.
Now I'm not overdressed, am I? Okay. Regrets that she didn't put no clothes on.
This is a nature session. This is peace.
Like, aren't you freezing? Don't tell me you're not freezing. Don't lie to me.
Don't lie to me.
Don't lie to me. We are looking at
They say, what are you talking about? I don't. I don't.
Whoa, all 3 of us have covers on.
Bam!
Oh, shoot.
Did you hurt your crotch? What was that?
When I went to go take a shower, I slammed my head against the shower. I'm like, ah! I flung my head this way. I'm like, ah! Tell them about the sink thing.
The sink thing?
It's not going to be as effective without the actual sink. You know, you got the sink, right? And
Yeah.
my sink is above ground. It's not like in the, it's like above ground sink.
Above ground.
It's like a bowl, yeah.
Yeah.
That's how her sink is. So I have, the faucet, right?
Oh God.
So I stuck my head into I maneuvered it so I'm like,
Yeah.
the faucet was like right on the back of my head and like, I had a reason though, I wasn't just sticking my hand in the sink for no reason. I wanted to wash my hair without getting into the shower.
Yeah.
Not washing, but wetting. And after I was done, I ran the faucet and that's how close my head was. Like I was in close contact, like the faucet was on my head. It was on the back of my head. So when I turned the faucet on, I went all over my head and stuff. And then I forgot that I was in such close quarters with this thing. I tried to yank my head back. My head went back and my lips slammed against the sink. And I was like, ah! So I started like jerking around. I'm like, oh my God! Like, can you imagine
Save me!
Stuck in a cage. Like they can't get out. They're just struggling. My first instinct is to panic because I'm stuck in the sink. And they're like, okay, gotta calm down. Gotta calm down.
Gotta calm
I got
down.
my hands on the sink, right? And I'm like, oh my God. So I gently maneuver my head out of the sink and my lip is like bleeding everywhere.
Oh gosh.
It was like that. And my
That's
mom
too
comes
much.
and she's like, what's going on? Because I'm like, ah, what is this thing?
I was struggling.
Coming in the bathroom with our heads stuck in the sink.
Oh God. I can feel the tower shaking. Whoa. Keep on doing that movement, please. Look at this. We are so high up in the sky, guys. Oh Lord. Can you not? Yeah. Why? Oh, that's fine.
I want to be over here.
Woo.
Songy kind of just unsurely reaches out.
Is that the unclean version?
No.
Okay, I got scared. I was like, do I need to turn off the camera?
We're forming a rap circle.
I'm a penguin.
We're forming a rap circle, Soraya. No, you. We can manage to transfer that to a couple of you. Get it done.